Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Auth0 MFA for mobile accounts, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section from the left sidebar. Select the application you wish to configure for multi-factor authentication. Scroll down to the Add-ons tab. Locate the multi-factor authentication option and click on it. Enable the multi-factor authentication toggle. Choose the factors you want to use for MFA, such as SMS, email, or authenticator apps. Save your settings. Next, open your mobile application where user authentication takes place. Implement the Auth0 SDK if you haven't already. In your login function, ensure you include a check for MFA requirements. If MFA is required, prompt the user to enter their MFA code. Use the correct endpoint to verify the MFA code. On successful verification, grant access to the user. If the MFA code is incorrect, provide appropriate feedback to the user. Test the entire flow with a mobile account to ensure everything works smoothly. Monitor your Auth0 dashboard for any authentication activity. Review the analytics for any failed attempts and troubleshoot as needed. Make any necessary adjustments based on user feedback or analytics insights. You have now completed the setup for authorizing with Auth0 MFA for mobile accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.